Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving break. This week for the Chapter 12 screencast project, I'm going to be showcasing my Excel skills. So we're just going to go ahead and open up Excel right here. While we're waiting for that to load, I'm just going to talk about how I've had experience with Excel since I was in elementary school. I've made spreadsheets, databases, and so on. All right, here we go. Excel is opened. I'm familiar with a lot of features. Let's just say you wanted to dye this block yellow. I can use autofill, fill it either direction. I know how to use basic arithmetic. So we're in square B2. So B2, or let's fill this square with 2 and C2 with 2. So in here we could do B2 plus C2, equal sign, B2 plus C2. You could do that for multiplication, division, any basic arithmetic really. I know how to save the files, rename them, add different sheets to the book itself, change to headers, body print, different cell styles, find and select. I took a class in MIS relatively, I'd say like a year ago or something like that, and I learned all about using Excel. I'd like to think I would be in the advanced project group. If not, let me know, and we'll go from there. Have a good weekend.